Going to show you a easy possible fix for your Apple 7 Series 7 where the screen is like frozen or unresponsive, or maybe you're stuck on the Apple logo. Okay, the only thing you got to do is force restart it. And how you do that is a 2-key combination. You want to press and hold the digital crown button and the side button. You want to press both at the same time and hold it and wait until the Apple logo appears. Okay, so we'll do it together. Pretend my screen is frozen or unresponsive, or maybe it's stuck on the Apple logo. And we're going to go ahead and do the 2-key combo. Okay, digital crown, side button. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go. Just keep on holding to both buttons until you see an Apple logo appear. So I'm holding on both buttons here still. It just turned off. Now it's going to go ahead and boot back up. Still holding on both buttons. And then as soon as I see the Apple logo, I'm going to go ahead and let go of both buttons. Apple logo, go ahead and let go and wait for it to boot back up, and you should be back up and running. The thing is, if it boots back up and it gets frozen within like 1 minute, try this another time. Okay, you may have to try it like 2 or 3 more times. Anyway, if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. At least 80% of you guys should be up and running. Okay.